35 if it's whiting out.
Let's go up to this old one.
Man, we might have to go chill in that spot.
Yeah.
Or no, right here looks just as good.
Snow.
Is this where we were earlier?
Yeah, this is where we were at like 2 a.m.
That's funny.
Yeah. Denver was down
We're out here almost to Central City. Storm does look to be intensifying, so we'll see what goes on here.
Yeah, look, you can hardly see the guy's flashers.
Oh yeah. Yeah, white out. White out.
Yeah, for sure.
White out conditions currently. We can't see very far in front of us at all. Not even maybe
50
100
feet,
feet.
100 feet.
Yeah, I would say maybe
Yeah.
100 feet, and that's it.
Left lane ends. Not sure where the